Hey guys, it's me Jake, and I'm at Crazy Here Jake, and I'm in another video. And today, Cloudy is back with me. So me and Cloudy are gonna do some death run again. Remember, she could only talk in chat. We're gonna do some death run again because we didn't do too good in our last death run video. So we're gonna retry this death run. And can anyone comment? Can anyone comment how to make like like YouTubers good? Because as you guys know, you can see in the corner, I record with Screencast-O-Matic, so sponsor for them. But I was because their quality's kind of laggy, so I was like, if you guys know any recorders that's not laggy, tell me, because I would like our quality to be better. And if you guys want to see more video ideas, just tell me in the comments. I could do a death run challenge someday. Each time I lose, I have to do something. Alright, but anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Cloudy said, ooh. Cloudy, you excited?
Get ready.
She's typing
3,
something, I think.
2,
yeah, she said yeah.
1, run!
Oh, so much people just died. Knew it. Oh, Cloudy made it in time. Before the disaster even happened.
Checkpoint reached.
Oh, I got the 2 snowflakes. Oh my god. Oh, whoa. I don't like these parkour jumps. I'm not good with parkour.
Just 3 runners left.
Oh no, Cloudy!
Checkpoint reached.
Wait, is it just me and this one girl? I think it is. Oh, come on, I so hit him.
You're the last runner. Nicely done.
Oh, wait, I killed him. Wait, I killed the...
Well done.
Oh, no. Oh, I killed the killer, but she got to the end first. Oh. But I killed him. Okay. Oh yeah, Cloudy meant to say yes. Okay, we're gonna go to... I kinda wanna go to this one. What types of different swords are there? I don't know, we'll check that out after this map.
Poison Sky Ruin.
Set a timer.
Get ready. 3, 2, 1, run!
I mean, oh, the guy made it! Oh, the guy actually just made it. That's good. Wait, there's a snowflake. Wait, Cloudy, did you die? Oh, dang it. I thought I couldn't. Oh, she did, yeah. Well, we died together. Who's in first place? Oh, he's the killer. I'm gonna watch the killer. He has. Actually, no, I wanna, see the swords.
Just 3 runners left.
Boost, weapons. Ooh, the ice stack. What are these snowflakes do?
Checkpoint reached.
I don't know what the snowflakes do. Is there anything for snowflakes? I don't think so. Wait, so a snowflake's just a random thing? What's this? Oh, these are what the snowflakes are for. Okay, I don't care. I wanna see. Oh, she said I don't know. I found them. I found what the snowflakes are for.
Well done.
Okay, I don't. I wanna see what you can get. Yeah, what can you get? You can get 2018 fireworks, which I don't want because it's not 2018 anymore. Gift of gadgets. How many snowflakes do I have? Crystal blade. I would like that. It's 300. I have 14. So close. Anyways.
Teleporting to electricity outpost.
Ooh. Electricity outpost.
Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Run.
Let's go. Ciao. Ciao, everyone. Wait, the person? I think the person's AFK. I think the killer might be AFK. I think we could just go for it. I gotta get my snowflake.
Checkpoint reached.
Dude, I should have known earlier that people are just AFK. I almost died.
Just 3 runners left. Nicely done.
So I didn't kill the killer, but I won. I came 7th to make it. Oh, me and Cloudy finished at the same time. Okay, how much coins? Yeah, how much coins? Okay, Shadow Dancer. Oh, I have enough for this. I have enough for the Shadow Dancer. Oh, we're gonna buy a sword after this, guys.
Get ready. 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Run.
Ah!
Checkpoint reached.
Got it.
Just
Oh!
meters left.
Almost expected Cloudy. Cloudy's alive, which I don't think she is. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna get. What weapon should I get, guys? I can get the hollow sword. Okay, I don't have enough of the tree.
Checkpoint reached.
I think this is more the. Ooh. I think. I might get the Shadow Dancer. Oh, guys, wait. It didn't change my sword back. Hold up. Open shop.
That's a game.
Alright.
Well
Alright, guys,
done.
I think that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button. If you want to see more Death Run with Cloudy, or just more videos with Cloudy, and remember to comment those, Cloudy's playing. And remember to comment some more video quality ideas than this, because it's not good quality. It's always laggy. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. See, look, the lag is. The lag's crazy, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you in another video. Remember, video quality ideas will be great, and video ideas. Okay, goodbye.